In today's dynamic business landscape, the acronym CRM pops up frequently. Short for Customer Relationship Management, it typically conjures images of sophisticated software platforms that help businesses manage interactions with their customers, track sales leads, and analyze customer data. But what if we took a step back and considered a more fundamental aspect of business success? Teamwork? Could effective teamwork, in its essence, be considered a form of CRM? As a finance expert, my focus is often on the tangible assets and measurable metrics that drive profitability. However, I've come to appreciate the profound impact that seemingly soft skills, like teamwork, have on a company's bottom line. In this video, we'll explore the intriguing connection between teamwork and CRM, breaking down the core principles of both and examining how a strong internal team can significantly enhance a company's external customer relationships. Let's first define what we typically understand as CRM. At its core, a CRM system is a technology-driven approach to managing a company's interactions and relationships with current and potential customers. It involves using data analysis about customers' history with a company to improve business relationships, specifically focusing on customer retention and ultimately driving sales growth. Key features of a CRM system often include contact management, lead tracking, sales automation, marketing campaign management, and customer service tools. The goal is to create a 360-degree view of the customer, enabling businesses to personalize interactions, anticipate needs, and build lasting loyalty. Now, let's turn our attention to teamwork. In a business context, teamwork refers to the collaborative effort of individuals working together to achieve a common goal. It involves shared responsibility, open communication, mutual respect, and a synergy where the combined efforts of the team are greater than the sum of individual contributions. Effective teamwork fosters a positive internal environment, boosts productivity, and enhances problem-solving capabilities within an organization. At first glance, teamwork and CRM might seem like distinct concepts, one internal, the other external. However, when we delve deeper into the underlying principles of successful customer relationship management, the parallels with effective teamwork become strikingly clear. Consider the cornerstone of any successful CRM strategy: understanding the customer. A CRM system helps aggregate data from various touchpoints to provide a holistic view of the customer's journey, preferences, and pain points. Now, think about how a well-functioning internal team contributes to this understanding. Sales teams gather direct feedback from clients, marketing teams analyze market trends and customer behavior, and customer service representatives handle inquiries and complaints. When these different teams communicate effectively and share their insights internally, they collectively build a richer and more nuanced understanding of the customer than any single individual or department could achieve in isolation. This internal information sharing acts as an internal CRM, feeding valuable data into the external CRM efforts. Furthermore, a positive customer experience is paramount in CRM. Customers are more likely to remain loyal to companies that provide seamless, efficient, and personalized service. How does teamwork contribute to this? Imagine a customer contacting a company with a complex issue that requires input from multiple departments. If the internal teams work collaboratively, sharing information and coordinating their efforts, the customer is likely to receive a timely and comprehensive resolution. Conversely, if internal silos exist, leading to miscommunication and delays, the customer experience will suffer, regardless of how sophisticated the external CRM software is. In this sense, the efficiency and responsiveness fostered by good teamwork directly translate into better customer service, a critical component of CRM. Moreover, building strong customer relationships relies heavily on consistent and unified messaging. Marketing campaigns, sales pitches, and customer service interactions should all align with the company's brand values and promises. Effective internal teamwork ensures this consistency. When different departments understand the overarching business goals and communicate regularly, they are more likely to present a unified front to the customer.